Hi, this is Bill for Sparky channel. Today I'd like to show you this is a DeWalt Quickload head, and the problem is that the line is stuck. See, even when the head is depressed, you can't get this out. It won't come out. Either side, it's just stuck. And the problem, when the line gets stuck, this shortens up and eventually it gets into the head itself, and it becomes a bit of a problem to get your string going again. So I'm going to show you how to unstick the line in the head. Okay, so there's an item to depress right here and right here. You got to depress them both. So we're going to be taking this head off right here. It helps to have big hands. You need to depress both these simultaneously. Okay, I got one started right here, and then depress this one. Okay, now this comes off. Okay, this is what the head piece looks like. This is your bumper right here, and it hits right here, and when you bump it, it's supposed to allow this line to come out. So it should be coming out freely right now. See, I'm pulling it very tight and it won't come out. Let's take a closer look at it. So here's one side of the spool, and you see the line comes out here and it goes into the spool, and you see it's wedged in there. It can't get out. So what I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to take some needle nose pliers. I'm going to grab this. There, it just came right out. Okay, so let's see if so now it pulls out real nicely. And it's stuck again. Sometimes finding the stuck area and loosening it up with a needle nose will fix the problem, and sometimes it won't. In this case, it just didn't work. There was multiple stuck areas with the string. So the thing to do with this situation is let's just pull out all the string and restring it. That way it'll be nice and fresh and ready to go, and it'll do a good job for you. After removing the string and cleaning the head out, snap the bumper piece back on. So what you do, you turn this until it aligns with this notch right here, and you'll be able to see all the way through. See you can see all the way through to the other side. That's what you need to be able to do, because we're going to put the line right through that hole. Okay, so and then we'll just wind it back up, and that'll solve the problem. There are two notches and two eyelets. All you have to do is align one of the notches with one of the eyelets so that you can see all the way through, and then we're going to run our string from one eyelet to the other eyelet and out the other side. I'm going to take the string and try and get it as straight as I can. It wants to curve, but we need it to be straight, pretty straight. And I'm going to go right through here. And it comes right out the other side. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to pull it. Cut the worn ends off, by the way. Okay, so I've pulled it so that the two ends are even. They both have about 5 feet, so there's going to be about 10 feet of the old line left here. So then the middle of the line's right about in here. So now I'm going to grab this with one hand right here. This is the back disc area. I grab that, and I'm going to turn this like this. And you can go as fast or slow as you want. I'm going to go slow to try and show how it's done. Okay, so that's pretty good right there. So now, see, here's the cutter right here. I'm going to take my tool and cut both ends right like this. Okay, so we're fixed. We're ready to go now. This will pull out. Let me show you. It just pulls out nicely. When depressed, it'll just work just fine. So that's how to fix a stuck trimmer line that just won't come out anymore. You know, and sometimes it's real easy. You just pull out one little thing with your needle nose, and sometimes you got to take out the whole line and do it again. So there you go.